ABC.
Let's sing a song, come follow me. We'll learn our tools from A to Z. School supplies we use each day. Let's sing their names the learning way. A is for paper. We use paper to draw and write. B is for binder. A binder keeps papers together. C is for crayon. Crayons are for coloring. D is for desk. We sit at a desk to study. E is for eraser. An eraser removes pencil marks. F is for folder. A folder holds important papers. G is for glue stick. We use glue to stick things. H is for highlighter. A highlighter makes words stand out. I is for ink pen. An ink pen is for writing. J is for journal. A journal is for writing thoughts. K is for keyboard. We type with a keyboard. L is for label. Labels show names or notes. M is for marker. Markers are for bold coloring. N is for notebook. A notebook is for taking notes. O is for organizer. An organizer keeps things neat. P is for pencil. We write and draw with a pencil. Q is for quiz paper. A quiz paper has questions. R is for ruler. A ruler helps draw straight lines. S is for stapler. A stapler joins papers together. T is for tape. Tape is used to fix or stick. U is for USB drive. A USB saves computer files. V is for vocabulary book. It helps us learn new words. W is for whiteboard. A whiteboard is for writing and drawing. X is for X-stone knife. It cuts paper carefully. Y is for yardstick. A yardstick measures big things. Z is for Ziploc bag. It stores small items safely. Now we know from A to Z. School supplies for you and me. Pack your bag and sing today. Learning is fun the Starlala way.
Starlala ABC. Please subscribe for more fun videos.